Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin shrugs off Fed, Mideast war, but derivatives flash caution. Your day ahead look for June 19, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By James Van Straten, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Bitcoin BTC $104,895.07 remains stable around $105,000 after the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady, as expected. It hasn't traded below the psychological threshold of $100,000 since May 8, a full 42 days ago, even though the Israel-Iran conflict, now coming up for a week, would have been expected to weigh on risky investments, crypto among them. Alongside the interest rate decision, the Fed also signaled slower economic growth, with GDP now expected to rise just 1.4% this year, down from 1.7%, and higher inflation. The much-watched dot plot showed policymakers see fewer rate cuts through 2027 than they did in March. What seems to be underpinning the largest cryptocurrency and crypto markets in general is the Bitcoin treasury narrative. A notable rotation appears to be underway, with an ever-growing number of companies committing to buying it as a treasury asset. The total number of known publicly traded holders has increased to 129, and when private companies and sovereign entities are included, the total has reached 235. That's an increase of 27 entities in just 30 days. Geopolitical tensions remain elevated in the Middle East. Israel said it launched airstrikes on nuclear weapons-related targets near Iraq and Natanz, and an Iranian missile attack scored a direct hit on the Soroka hospital in southern Israel early this morning. In response, Israel's defense minister pledged further escalation of hostilities. Brent crude rose 1% to $77.45, its highest level since January, adding upward pressure on global energy and food prices. European stock indexes and U.S. equity index futures fell. While U.S. markets are closed today for the Juneteenth holiday, crypto markets remain open 24/7. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. By Shoria Malva. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. James Van Straten is a senior analyst at CoinDesk, specializing in Bitcoin and its interplay with the macroeconomic environment. Previously, James worked as a research analyst at Sadler & Company, a Swiss hedge fund, where he developed expertise in on-chain analytics. His work focuses on monitoring flows to analyze Bitcoin's role within the broader financial system. In addition to his professional endeavors, James serves as an advisor to Coincilium, a UK publicly traded company, where he provides guidance on their Bitcoin treasury strategy. He also holds investments in Bitcoin and Strategy, MSTR. Shoria is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shoria holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, YFII, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.